Now in case of 105, 105 we get as from 90 degrees plus 15, you will get 105 degree. So you require first 90 degrees to mark and then 15. So let us see the construction. Draw a ray. Take a compass and any radius. Draw an arc. From here you get 60. From here you get 120. To get 90 degrees you have to draw a bisector of this, little more than half. You have to draw an arc from these 2 points which are marked and you get 90 degrees. I'll just draw in the form of a dotted line just to show you the 90 degrees. 90 plus 15 degree you require. So here this is 120. Correct? This is 120. You don't require 120 and so it will lie in between that. 15 degrees you will have to mark from here, little more than half. Take a arc from 90 degrees, draw another arc, join the vertex and the line passing through this arc, intersection of this arc. So we get this as 90 degrees and plus 15. So together it will become 105 degrees. Let us mark it as P. So we get angle POM equals to 105 degrees. Now let's see 75 degrees. How do we draw? Again we have to draw a ray, PQ. Then 75 is 16 plus 60 plus 15. 60 degree plus 15 degree we get 75. So we take our compass with any radius from point P or the vertex. We will be drawing a line, drawing an arc, which is from here again we cut 60 degrees and from here we cut 75 degrees, 120 degrees. Then 16 plus, we have to find a bisector of this. Little more than half. We have to draw an arc. From here we have to cut the former arc. We get 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Then we have to draw 15 from here, the bisector of this, 30 degrees. So we'll have to draw arc here, draw another arc so that you get an angle bisector of this, and this will be 15 degrees. So 60 plus 15, that means this is our required construction. Let us mark it as R, angle RPQ equals to 75 degrees. 60 plus 15. Now 22. 22 and a half is half of 45 degrees. Half of 45 degrees is, or angle bisector of 45 is 22 and a half. For that we can say we have to draw 15 degrees plus 7 and a half degree, half of 15. We can say it in this way also, that is 15 degrees plus half of 7 and a half, we get 22 and a half. So let's see how do we draw it. Draw a ray. Then we draw with any measurement or any radius, we draw a arc From here, that the point of intersection of the ray and this, we get a 60 degrees. You may draw, you may not draw. I am just showing in the form of a dotted line or maybe in the other color. I'll just draw. This is not the required thing, but to draw 22 and a half, you require this. So 60, then after drawing 60, you have to draw 30 degrees. So I'll just, we have to draw a angle bisector and then you get 30 degrees. Then 30, the half of 30 is 15. So we require to draw another angle bisector between these. And we get angle which is 15 degrees. And between these two, that is 15 and 30, 15 degrees and 30, you have to draw another bisector so that you get 7.5 from here. So little more than half angle bisector is drawn between these two. I'll just check. From the vertex to the point of intersection. This is the required angle 22.5 degrees.